So in this lesson, it's going to be a quick lesson right here. We have HTML5 web storage. And right here it says your login name and secret have been stored as HTML5 web storage. And the hint is to grab it using cross-site scripting. Well, we've already done cross-site scripting in a previous lesson on the get and post, and we're going to be using exactly that. So some information to know before we go in is that we need to know what we're doing here. So the goal of this challenge is to steal the user's login and secret that's insecurely stored on the HTML5 local storage. And so we need to know what local storage is. So when looking at local storage, the takeaway is this. Data placed in local storage is per origin, which means the combination of protocol, host name, port number, as defined by the origin policy. And it persists after the browser is closed. Given this information, we know two things. One, local storage is a browser feature. We can exploit that using JavaScript. We've done it before. And local storage follows the same origin policy, which means that data inserted into local storage by the website can't be accessed by a different website. So as stated before, we have this hint saying to try grab it using cross-site scripting. So we are going to go to the cross-site scripting get. So let's find it. Select to get. So browsing a local storage is pretty simple. Everything is accessible to JavaScript object named local storage with the exclamation point. We can dump login and secret asked by the website with a single line of JavaScript. And I'm going to put that up right here. So what this script is basically doing is we're going to try to find a key in local storage. So we're going to paste this in there, put something in the last name field so that it won't give us an error message. Hit go. And there we go. We have the login and we have the password. And we're also giving some other key information right here. So this was a quick lesson. It was pretty simple, but if there is information placed in local storage that isn't safeguarded properly, doing things like this isn't exactly out of question. It's not that difficult, and we can get into this information just by putting in some script into these fields.